last week and on Janmashtami. I would like to invite our pre-primary coordinator, Mrs. Nisha Varma, on the stage for prize distribution. Best Dress Krishna Competition Class Nursery to UKG. Third rank is grabbed by Vihan of Nursery B. Second rank is grabbed by Rishit from LKG A. First rank is grabbed by two students, Kivish from UKG D. And Veervardhan from UKG B.
Best Dressed Radha Competition from Nursery to UKG. The third rank is grabbed by Priyanshi from Nursery B. Second rank is grabbed by Dipakshi from LKGC. The first rank is grabbed by two students, Shreya from UKGC and Mahika from UKGC.
Sentence translation English to Hindi and Hindi to English. Classes Nursery to UKG. Third rank is grabbed by two students, Adishwan from UKG B and Daksh from UKG A. Second rank is grabbed by Divya from UKG A. And first rank is grabbed by Nidhi from UKG A.
Now I would like to invite Primary Coordinator Mrs. Sangamitra Marana ma'am on the stage. Hindi to English Sentence Conversion Competition Inter-House Class 1st to 3rd. The third rank is grabbed by Vivan from 3rd B from Aravali House. Second rank is grabbed by Himanshi from 3rd B from Shivalik House. And first rank is grabbed by Mansi from 3rd B from Nilgiri House. Hindi to English Sentence Conversion Competition. The third rank from 4th and 5th Inter-House. The third rank is grabbed by Sachika from 4th B from Shivalik House. The second rank is grabbed by Rohit Chaudhary from 5th B from Aravali House. And the first rank is grabbed by, hey friend, it's you Anshika from 4th A from Nilgiri House.
English. Now I would like to invite Middle Coordinator Mrs. Suchita Somra ma'am. English Speech Competition Inter-House Class 6 to 8. Third rank is grabbed by Rhythm from 8th PF from Shivalik House. Second rank is grabbed by Samiksha from 7th A from Nilgiri House. First rank is grabbed by Tanushka of 8th B from Shivalik House.
like to invite Senior Coordinator Mr. Indra Sir on the stage. The third rank is grabbed by Mayank Beniwal from 10th PF from Shivalik House. Second rank is grabbed by Pari from 9th A from Aravali House. The first rank is grabbed by Divyanshu from 10th A from Nilgiri House.
A very good morning to respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, all my colleagues and dear students. I welcome you to the award felicitations for the category of GTSE examination that is conducted every year. So, as you all know that previous award felicitation was of CCE activity. Moving further for the next category, I would like to call the Primary Wing Coordinator, Mrs. Sangmitra Maharana, on this dais and would like to announce the student from first standard. The third rank holder for GTSE examination is Satyam Sarva from first B. Satyam Sarva has third rank in GTSE examination. The second rank holder is Tanmay from first C. He holds second position. Second rank holder Tanmay from first C. The first rank holder from first class is Kanishk from first D. I would like Moving further for the second class, there are two students who held third rank, that is Jashvi Kharita and Mahim from second A and Jashvi from second B. The second rank holder is Avisha from second A. First rank holder is Lavyan Chaudhary from second A. Now moving further with the third standard, in this class every rank have two students. Starting with the third rank, first is Diksha from third A and Atharva from third A as well. Second position is held by Vihan from third A and Dikshita from third A as well. First rank is grabbed by Shaurya Shekhawat from third C. For fourth class, the third rank holder is Divyanshu from fourth B. Second rank holder is Mayank Raj from fourth B. And first rank holder is Vihan Kedia from fourth A. Now with fifth standard, the third rank holders are from 5th B, Purvi and Daksh. With a huge round of applause for the students. The second rank holder is from 5th B, Nidhi. And first rank holder is Ruhi Kedia from 5th A. Now I would like to request the middle coordinator, Mrs. Suchita ma'am, to please come over the stage to honor the students for 6th standard. The rankers of 6th standard, the third rank holder is Chanchal Kumari from 6th PF. Second rank holder is Krish from 6th PF. Now the first rank holder is Karthik Sharma from 6th PF. Moving to the 7th standard, the third rank holder is student from 7th B. Third rank is Ritesh Kherwa. second rank holder is Dushyant Raj from 7th PF. The first rank holder is 7th B, Mohit Singh. Now I would announce the name of 8th standard. With a huge round of applause for Mohit Singh. Now the third rank holder from 8th standard is Hemant from 8th PF as well. Second rank holder is Chetan Barala from 8th PF. First rank holder is Madhav from 8th PF. I would congratulate all the children for the achievers of GTAC, and I would kudos to all the participants for this examination.
Most respected Chairman Sir, my worthy colleagues and dear students, good morning everybody. Good morning, sir. The weather is really very fine. The good morning has to be louder. So let us see. Good morning everybody. Good morning, sir. Wonderful. Today's felicitation ceremony was something special in many ways. You might have witnessed it. There were two little students, those who came up on the stage and they conducted it. It was so wonderful. Give a huge round of applause to both of them. And this really gives a lot of motivation, not only to the small kids, even to the grown-up kids and the staff members also, that coming forward and taking initiative is the first step for developing the leadership qualities or to do something different there in the life. So I hope that you all really will take it in a positive manner. There were so many events, so many activities, and even so many examinations about which we are going to talk about here for the felicitation. JTSC is the exam which we conduct twice in a year, where the students are being assessed for their different kind of talent throughout the class, and the toppers are awarded, and next time the others can keep trying. So I congratulate the hard work of these students. There was little something special this time, that was that the boys were coming up for getting the prizes. Otherwise generally we happen to find that the boys are coming less in number forward for doing anything, but nowadays the boys are also coming. There is a good competition among the students. So that should always be uplifted, and for the same way I just thought of one idea right in the morning while giving these awards to these students, that we should try to call a few students and the teachers, and we can give different name, but the first name which came in my mind is that challenge motivators. Challenge motivators. Out of all those who are winning the prizes, a few of them will wish to speak something and challenge others for the subsequent events for participation and getting the awards. It's much better, but we'll find it out. It is just the basic idea which came in my mind right now in the morning when we were giving away the prizes to the students. So I request all, especially the council members and the other leading senior students and the teachers, to just think of this idea and then to suggest me personally through any mode. If you are not able sometime to meet me or to talk to me because of somebody sitting with me in my office, you have different other modes. I am easily accessible to everybody. I am easily accessible to everybody, right from the child of class nursery to the student of 12th and all the staff members. Whatsoever good ideas come up in your mind, please do share, because we may learn something from a child, we may learn something from a nursery class teacher, and even from the coordinators and teachers and students, everybody. So I hope you got my idea that a new concept which I am going to introduce during this felicitation ceremony is that the challenge motivator. The challenge motivator, any student it can be, any teacher it can be, that the remaining students and participants can be challenged for the next subsequent participation and for the betterment. I hope you got my idea. If anybody has got any confusion regarding clarification of this idea, you can always access to me and discuss it out. So I'll just explain it in a much better way. So your ideas, suggestions and your better kind of these innovative things can be placed in order for the betterment and improvement of the students there in our school. This is what I would look forward within 2 days. Otherwise rest we will be planning and finalizing and let you know.